Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn what we have to do if we forgot our password in our LinkedIn account. So if you forget your password in LinkedIn, just open up the login page and you can find forgot password option. Just tap on that and now you have to enter your email or mobile number. After filling your email or mobile number, just tap on next. After tapping on next, you have to pass this verification. Just tap on verify and then pick the images which are standing in the correct way. So after completing your verification, LinkedIn will send you a 6-digit code in your email address. Just open your email address and copy the 6-digit code. And after copying that code, paste it over here and then tap on submit. After tapping on submit, you can easily change your password. And now you can choose the new password and retype that same password in the second blank. And after choosing your password, just tap on submit. And after tapping on submit, you have changed or reset your password successfully. So this is how you recover your password if you forgot your password in your LinkedIn account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.